Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix Frigidaire ice maker error code SYEF and 5YEF quickly and easily.
Fix 1. Power cycle the refrigerator. Step 1. Unplug the fridge for 5 to 10 minutes. Step 2. Plug it back in. Step 3. Check if the error code is cleared. Fix 2. Check water supply. Step 1. Make sure the water line is connected and turned on. Step 2. Inspect for kinks or blockages in the water line. Step 3. Turn the water back on and restart the ice maker. Fix 3. Reset the ice maker. Step 1. Press and hold the ice maker reset button for 10 to 15 seconds. Step 2. Wait for the ice maker to cycle. Step 3. Observe if ice production resumes normally. Fix 4. Inspect the ice maker and sensors. Step 1. Remove the ice bucket and check for jammed ice cubes. Step 2. Clean any debris around the ice maker sensors. Step 3. Reinstall and restart the fridge.